All right, I'm the flat rate master, and today we're talking about customers that don't value our time. All right, so what do I mean by that? Well, I'll start with a story. I had a customer come in Monday, and complaint was power steering noise. Whining power steering on a Honda. Imagine that. Pulled it in, diagnosed the power steering issue as needing a pump. The pump was whining. No leaks. Wrote it up for a pump and inspected the car as I always do and found that needed rear brakes, some maintenance stuff done, timing belt, etc., etc. He waited 2 days to decline everything, including his original complaint. Now, he wanted us to put some Lucas in there, see if that would fix his issue. Yeah, no. My point of this is not so much that he declined the work, it's just that he waited 3 days to tell us, no, I'm not doing anything. That's a customer that doesn't value our time. We are grease monkeys to them. And it is irritating. We have a professional technician who is wasting his time because the guy's hoping for a cheap fix. It wasn't, I can't afford it, or, just no, can you put some Lucas in it? So, obviously not our ideal kind of customer, but kind of gave me the thought for this video. A couple other things that kind of irritates me is, customer pulls up next to an open bay and sits there. Why didn't Goober come out and check my air pressure? This isn't, Mayberry. Is it a big deal for us to check your air pressure, adjust it if needed? Nope, we got no problem doing it. I have no problem doing it. But I'm not coming to your door while you sit in your car like this is a full-service gas station. So, little irritated on that. The lady would have got out of her car and said, "Excuse me, can you put some air in my tires?" Sure, no problem. Again, I wouldn't have a problem with it. I'd grab my air chuck, pull the reel out, check her air pressure. I'd rather have them check them than be driving next to me with a blowout. So it's just, that kind of stuff just irritates me. When people just have no value in what we do. And that includes when they come time to pay the bill and they're like, "Oh my God." I'll tell a story. Now, this is back when I owned my own shop, and my labor rate was $80 an hour, and the wife of the guy that was paying me, who was an accountant, was like, "I wish you could get $80 an hour," talking to her husband, who was a carpenter. And I looked at her and go, I don't get $80 an hour either. The shop does, I don't. And here, it's some people have very little value in what we do, and it's kind of sad. Irritates me, yes, but it is kind of sad that I think the industry does a poor job of educating the general public on how intensive it is to fix their cars. It's networking systems, complex. They want all the bells and whistles, but they don't want to pay to fix them. And scream bloody murder when they get the bill to fix them. So, just a little, peek into the week that I've had so far. It is what it is sometimes, and, am I, brokenhearted about that guy declining all the work? I got more work. I've got tons of stuff to do. So, whatever. I don't care, but it's just like, you took 3 days to decide to do nothing? You know, awesome if he'd have taken 3 days to do all of it, but nope, declined everything. So it's the way of the business, but it's still irritating that, if you wanted to try Lucas in your power steering system, go to a parts store and buy it yourself, put it in. Anyway, as I've ranted along for a little bit, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. Hopefully a better rant video than this one. If you thumbs down it, comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.